Hello, this is Muhsin, and if you know me, you know that I'm a go-to person. If you want to turn what you know or what you're good at into something that can put money in your wallet. If you're new here, consider subscribing if you're watching this on YouTube, or like my page if you're watching this from Facebook. Okay, so you're probably telling yourself that in order to have a successful business or to have a stable financial status, the government needs to change. Or maybe the taxes are very high and they need to be reduced. Or maybe you're saying the customers are no longer coming. Or maybe they come, but they're no longer buying because they don't have money, so they need cheap things. Or maybe you don't have your own business, but you got married to a job. You work so many hours and you no longer have time for yourself. And if someone tells you anything about passion or you need to quit and do what you love, you say, okay, Muhsin, if I quit now, what will I eat tomorrow? Or I need transport. Or where will I get rent for the next month? My job is my security. I can't quit. So you stay in this condition this year, the following year, and then when you look back, you feel so much disappointed about everything. And you say, I guess since I'm from a third world country, maybe that is how God planned everything. And if you're putting this on God, I'm a religious leader and I'm telling you, you didn't understand your God. God never enjoys seeing you poor. In fact, God always gives you what you deserve. Now, I'm not going to defend anything that I have mentioned before because I don't need to. Instead, I'm going to simply ask you a question. Do you think all people in your country are living the same life as yours? If you walk on the street, don't you see people driving your dream cars? Perhaps if you have ever visited your local airport, you normally see people traveling. The airport is always busy and you ask yourself, why are these people traveling? Where do they get money to travel anyway? You keep on asking yourself, where do they live and how do they conduct their jobs? Maybe you see someone having a nice job, taking care of his or her family, and is happy, is fulfilled. And you ask yourself, how did he or she get that kind of job? I know, you're probably saying, I'm feeling worse than before I started watching this video. I understand the feeling. But I have good news for you. Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 things you have to do. You need to put this in practice. The first 5 things you have to do, the 5 steps you have to take if you want to shift your financial status in the right direction from today. Stop making excuses of the government or the taxes or the clients or the competition is very high. You need to take charge. What I'm trying to say here is that until you realize that you are the problem, nothing will change in your life. So you need to decide today, and you need to understand what is not working so that you make it better. It is insane to do the same things again and again and expect different results. So today, I'm going to share with you what I did, the steps I took, and I wish someone told me this before. It doesn't matter whether you have a business right now, or you have a job, or you have a business idea, and you would like to start from scratch. How can you start small and grow faster? And what can you do right now if things are not going the way you wanted, in order to shift your life? in order to start living the life you always wanted to. So, click the button or the link and watch the video. It is not going to be up for so long. Click the button now, don't procrastinate, and watch the video. Thank you.